Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is IQ scores have a bell-shaped distribution with a mean of 100 and standard deviation of 15. What is the probability a randomly selected individual will have an IQ greater than 115? And in order to solve this problem, we are going to use empirical rule, which states that if we have standard distribution of the data, we have bell-shaped curve like this, and within one standard deviation to the right and to the left of the mean of the population, we are going to find 68.3% of all the statistical data, and within two standard deviations to the right and to the left, we are going to find 95.4%, and within three standard deviations to the right and to the left of the mean of the population, we are going to find 99.7% of values. How we are going to solve this problem? Let's read again. We are told that the mean score is 100. That means that here this mean is 100. And standard deviation from mean equals 15. When we plot it to the right, 100 plus 15 is going to be 115 here, and when we plot it to the left, we are going to get 100 minus 15, and it's going to be 85. The question is, what is the probability a randomly selected individual will have an IQ greater than 115? That means this side of the curve, or we also can say this range. And our calculations are going to be pretty easy. So first number 13.6% plus 2.1% plus 0.15%. And the answer is going to be 15.85%. Again, this is going to be our answer to the question, what is the probability a randomly selected individual will have an IQ greater than 115? And the answer, probability, is going to be 15.85%. And if you want to know more about how to find mean of the population, or standard deviation from the mean, or variance, please watch my other videos, and I provide links to those videos in the comment area. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.